Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the KB5074109 Windows update not installing. To get started, simply go to your Windows settings, then go to System. From here, go to Recovery, and from here click on Reinstall Now. Click on OK and wait for the process to finish, and this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply search for services and open it. From here, find the Windows Update service. Double click on it and stop the service. Now open your File Explorer. Go to C drive, Windows folder. From here, find the software distribution folder and then go to the download folder. From here, delete all the contents. Now again, going back to service, double click on the Windows Update service. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and save the change. Now find the service App Readiness. Double click on it. Startup type to automatic and start the service. Now find the background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. Set the startup type to automatic and start the service. Now find the cryptographic services. Double click on it. Set the startup type to automatic and save the change. Once done, close the services window and now check for the updates and see whether you get the error further or not. In the next method, search for msconfig and open System Configuration. From here, go to the Services tab, check mark this box and click on Disable All and click on Apply and OK and restart your computer. After restart, go to your Windows Update and check whether the update is getting installed or not. Once the update is successfully installed, restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, simply go to msconfig then go to Services tab and enable all the services clicking here. Save the change and restart your computer. In the next method, go to this link. I'll give the link in the video description and download this file from there. Right click on the second option here and choose Save Link As and save the file. Once downloaded, simply run this file and the update should get installed without any errors now. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.